afternoon, folks. It is 4:44 on February the 26th. I just got home after a day at school. And I was a lazy bum, and I ordered my Starbucks for tomorrow because I was lazy. So I got a venti iced caramel macchiato. And I'll just let you screenshot that if you're interested. I got it differently than they usually do because I just didn't want the stuff at the bottom, the real coffee. I just worked it differently. So we'll give it a taste. It's good. Not bad. I got chai with it, so I thought, let's see what that tastes like. And then I also got a venti iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, and I'll let you screenshot that if you're interested in what I order. And we'll see how this tastes. I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. Evidently, they don't know how to line the cup with caramel. OMG, that's good. Okay, that's my new order. Okay, I like that. Over Chili's for dinner. I'll do that day, folks. It's all about, let's see what I can DoorDash. And even, I don't think I can do 4 pieces. I think that's too much. I think I may add another one. Heck, I might, I don't know. This is in my little oven that I got from my mother. She purchased it for me. I thought that was just so incredibly sweet for her to get me one of these because everybody needs one. I kid you not. But I have that sauce. I have one quesadilla left over. Tuesday, I guess. I guess that's what I'll do on Tuesday. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But I am home. I am windblown, and I am tired. Okay, evidently it's gonna take her a while because she's still waiting on the order. And I was walking out the door and I forgot my water cup at school. So I'm gonna have to just, I guess, take a straw, fresh water bottle in case I want to refill my water bottle, and just do it from there. Go down and get ice, and we'll just make that work. What do you do? I forgot. Dadgummit. I want to go back up there and get it, but I'm like, just one day won't kill me not to have my water. I'll just drink from a water bottle if I want it. I'll just do that. Or else get my Christmas cup out and use my Christmas swig cup. If you have not purchased yourself a swig cup, I definitely recommend it because I like them better than Stanley cups. I'm sorry. Stanley's and I are no more. After what happened to my rose gold cup, yeah, I'm done with Stanley for a while. Anybody just get overly excited when your DoorDash order is coming? Because I do. I get overly excited for my DoorDash order. Isn't it terrible? I can smell my food. And it looks like it's done. friends. Today is March 1st. I can't believe it. It's March already. The year is just flying. Time is flying. So it is about 4:35 and I am about to go hit the road again. Hit the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. I don't like any Willie Nelson songs, but that's what it reminds me of. Anyway, the reason I'm going again is time for a mani-pedi, and I am going to head over to Starbucks to get coffee so that I can stop later, and then I will probably have to stop for some gas. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try and video some things and take you along with me. So everybody, buckle up. So every time I come to my local Starbucks, there is about always 3 to 4 to 5 cars in front of me. It is just crazy busy all the time. It's unbelievable. So let's see if they order something that will take no time to make. Frappuccinos take the most time. I'm trying to decide what I want to get today. I usually get what Angie orders, which is a venti iced white mocha with caramel drizzle and caramel syrup. And I always get extra shot because it's not enough coffee for me. So I might just get that. That's my oldie but goodie classic to order. And that's what I would get because I just like it the most. It's the best. But anyways, it is Friday. So hungry.
Wait, what can we get started for you today?
You're fine. Can I get a venti iced white chocolate mocha latte with caramel syrup and caramel drizzle and an extra shot?
Sorry, an extra shot?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, I just got back from getting gas, which cost me about $23.85. Not too bad, not too shabby. The less the better. That's what I always say. Just using some antibacterial stuff to wipe off so that I can snack. Not the best stuff in the world. You should go wash hands always, but when you don't have a sink near you at that time, I always like to carry around when I'm traveling. And I can show you, maybe not. I have Twisted Peppermint Bath and Body. That's what I use. I'm like, is that running? Is that on good? Okay. So I got Ritz cheese crackers, Nerds gummy clusters. These are the best. And I don't care, people are probably looking at me really funny. And then my ultra favorite, M&M's peanut butter. Because I'm hungry. People are probably going, what the heck is she doing? I don't really care. Life's too short, people. Okay. We got the goods. We got a drink. We got coffee for tomorrow. We are ready to hit the road. And I will soon need to get my oil changed, which will be $35. Heading out. Woohoo! Today I've been nails and